Hello friends, my topic is running on the operating systems and types of operating systems. We have completed the type of operating systems in which the batch operating system and multi-program operating system and time saving operating systems. Now we are explaining the distributed operating system. So what is distributed operating system? This is clarified by the name of distributed, means distribute. In this operating system, the operating system is distributed in multiple resources. For example, uh, uh, one printer is installed in one computer, and then the, that printer is shared, distributed for other computers. Then we want to print from any PCs or computers, so we can get the print command and get the prints. We can explaining the definition here. Operating systems, distributed operating system. The distributed operating system are the multiple central processor to serve real-time applications and multiple users. In this operating system, this will depend on multiple central processors, and that is served to many applications and many users. The data processing jobs are distributed in among the processors. Here, the processor are communicated through online. That means there may be telephone lines and other devices. These are loosely coupled system or distributed systems. This is the definition of distributed system, and some benefits of the distributed. For example, resource sharing. We can understand by that example, printer sharing, data exchange. When many computers are and attached attached in local area networks and other networks, so we can extend the data from one computer to other computer and other to nest. One fail, other work. For example, in one network, four computers are attached. If one computer is failed, then no. If one computer is failed, then other computer will be proper work. Reduction of load, host computer. इसमें जो main एक the load of main host computer is reduction. In this network, in distributed operating system, any computer we can want to add in the network, so we can add in networks or remove the computer from network. So this is the distributed operating system. One more example is ATMs, bank ATM. For example, my account is having SBI banks. SBI bank is situated in Gwalior. Then the ATMs of SBI branch in many other Gwalior, many cities. For example, in Gwalior, Bhind, Morena, Sipri, Guna, Datia, and other Bhopal, Indore, any other city. So we can access we can access the currency from any ATMs. Okay, because those ATMs are attached through distributed operating system. This is the best example of distributed operating systems. Other operating system is real-time operating systems. Real-time operating systems. Real-time operating system is an operating system. This is intended to serve real-time applications and data process. This in real-time operating systems, this is completed in any fixed time, in fixed time constant. Real, इसमें all the processes are completed in real time, the fixed time within time duration, within time durations. These are two types of real-time applications, real-time operating system. One is hard real-time and other is soft real-time. Hard real-times, that means real-time operating system is the operating system which are completed or the all process in this operating system in completed in fixed time duration. Two types of real-time operating: hard real-time and soft real-time. In the hard real-time operation, no delay. In hard real-time operating systems, no delay is no time delay. All process is completed in fixed time duration. For example, rocket launch, missile launch, satellites, traffic control systems. So these are the in these examples, all processes are completed in fixed time duration. Not this is completed in nano time, nano microseconds. But in soft real-time system, all the process are very softly. Means in this real-time operating system, tolerant is possible. For example, in this operating system is bank system. For example, we get OTPs from when we can complete the online transaction, online the OTP received. So OTP received maybe some take maybe some time delays, 1 second, 4 second, 10 second. Time delay is possible, but in hard real time, no time delay is not possible. This is the main difference between hard real time and soft real time. Clear? One other type of operating system is mobile operating system. Mobile operating system we have already discussed in mobile systems. Mobile operating systems are used in mobile systems. For example, some Android mobile operating systems. Android mobile system is most popular operating system which are already mostly persons use the Android mobile phones, and other BlackBerry, Apples, and these are many mobile operating systems that are used in mobiles. Now my topic is completed. Now we will discuss in other videos. Okay.